Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing tutorial for this dramatic smoky eye makeup look using Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I feel this look is quite versatile to carry for any occasions. So I begin with my skincare using the Body Shop Drops of Youth Serum. This serum is neither too oily nor mattifies the skin completely. It just gives the required dewy finish to my skin with proper nourishment. It works wonders on my oily acne prone skin. Followed by another favorite product, Lip Sleeping Mask from Laneige. As a primer, spraying Perfect Match Water Primer by Colorba. This helps in tightening the pores. The formula is so comfortable, weightless that does not make skin sticky or greasy and prolong the stay of your makeup. Going on with an orange corrector from LA Girl to eliminate the discoloration and dark circles. With the flat concealer brush, just dabbing it to spread it evenly. And now taking the damp beauty blender to blend it well. Next up, applying Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer on my eyelids to create a nice even base for the shadows. This will allow the colors to pop even better and the applications become smoother. Going with the Real Technique Beauty Blender just to kinda sink in evenly. Starting with my eye makeup first, using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, I'm picking up the shade Raw Sienna. Applying this shade in the crease as a transition shade with a fluffy brush. Later, I'm going ahead and picking up the shade Red Ochre and putting up into the crease. Blending this with to and fro motion. This time, I'm just applying it very lightly just to kinda create the color. Using the same shade, applying it heavy this time on the outer and the inner corner of the eye and blending it well. Next, taking the shade Cypress Ombre, applying it on the same place where I applied the red ochre in the inner and the outer corners. Taking the shade Warmer and applying in between the place of the earlier applied shadows. This is a shimmery shade from the palette. I'm applying it and then once again blending it everything in the crease for taking out those harsh edges. Take time here to blend so the application looks even. Tight lining the upper lash line and lining the lower waterline with a black kohl. This kohl I'm using is by Isadora. Taking the shade Red Ochre, smoking out on the lower lash line. I'm reapplying the kohl here again to intensify it on the lower lash line. Using the flat brush and a pencil brush and picking up the shade Cypress and blending it on the lower lash line. Coming to my base again, using NYX HD Photogenic Concealer in the shade Medium. I'm going to build up a coverage in my under eyes. It's easy to blend this concealer with a brush, sponge or even by the fingers. It does not crease or fades as the day progresses. For my foundation, I'm taking my Givenchy Photo Perfection Foundation. Dotting the foundation with a brush by Real Technique on the entire face and neck area, later blending it over for an even finish. Going with my Real Technique Beauty Blender again to just kinda set everything evenly. I love this foundation. It makes the skin look so radiant and smooth, doesn't give that heavy or cakey feeling when worn for a longer duration. And this photographs well as promised. Dabbing the MAC Studio Finish Long Wear Compact Powder on the areas that tend to get oily soon and prevents my foundation and concealer from creasing. Using a bronzer from Shiseido to my usual areas where I need shadows onto my cheekbones, jawline and bridge of the nose. Coming to my brows, using HD eyeshadow and eyebrow palette, picking the shade Medium Brown. I'm first brushing the hair and then just filling the gaps to intensify them. Brushing them again to give it a feathery look. Curling the lashes and applying mascara by Kiko Milano. This is a top coat lengthening mascara. As I'm going to apply falsies for the required drama, so not going heavy with the mascara. This one separates the lashes so well and gives long looking lashes instantly. Coming to my face again for remaining touches, using cream highlighter from LA Girl. I'm not directly applying this product, just taking required quantity on back of my hand and just gonna dab using the sponge. This shall prevent from excess application of the product, as I'm also gonna use the powder highlighter. Coming for the blush, I'm using very natural looking peach shade here. This is by Givenchy. I do not want my face to go dull with that smoky eyes, so going with this shade as my lips also gonna be neutral. Going with the powder highlighter from Bobbi Brown. This is a shimmer brick in the shade bronze. Taking the lighter color from the brick with a very light hand, as I have already applied a creamy highlighter. So I'm just gonna go on those high points to kinda just get a hint of the glow. Applying falsies by Huda Beauty to complete the eye look. Coming to my lips, applying lip pencil from PAC in the shade So Spicy and layering the matte nude shade Velvet Teddy by MAC. And that's the finished look. Please share your thoughts on the look in the comment section below. Also, I have started with IGTV videos on makeup and fashion. So if you don't follow me on my Instagram, please do. I'm sharing the link in the description box below. Also, the product I have used are listed down there. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification. We'll meet in my next video soon. Till then, take care and stay gorgeous.